Here's our fireplace mantle. It came from Lewistown area. Rick and Emma helped me put it together. So we have a hemlock boards on the back going around and down, and everything is screwed to them. All the bases. And then we brought it over. We put a 1/2 inch plywood covering the whole center part so we could screw this piece in. We put that all against the wall, fit it in. That was the tough part, getting it fit in just right. And then we screwed it into the wall with 3 screws hitting the studs. You can see those lines there maybe. So we have 3 screws holding the base upright. And then after that, we screwed this top down, and then we screwed this in the wall with 2 screws on each. And then I took slate and ran slate on the inside so you couldn't see, because originally I think this back here was right tight here, so we have a gap in there. And then there was kind of like a radiator or a vent spot, so I covered up with a piece of green, the sea green slate from Vermont. Maybe a black would have looked better, but I can change it out. I have 2 screws there, but it's not bad. And we're going to have a fireplace, fake fireplace electric in front of it, so who knows, that might not even show, but I hope some of that shows, because this is really cool stuff right here. Really cool centerpiece. So there we go. And it's in the 2nd floor of their estate, so this will all look really cool when this floor gets, it's a oak floor. Needs a lot of cleanup, but it'll all look sharp, and then we'll hang something up above it. And I marked the studs already, so I know where to put the stuff.